Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU here. I trust that you are well, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a luscious green smoothie. If you can hear my baby in the background, just ignore it. He's feeding. So here the ingredients are watercress, fresh parsley, some wonderful seasonal pears. I'm going to be using 3 baby bananas, as you will see as the video continues, even though there was just 2 there. I am also working with dates that have been pitted, and I'm going to be working with some hemp seeds at the latter part of the video because I show you how to make it without the hemp seeds and how to make it with the hemp seeds. Now this smoothie here is packed with your green vegetables, so this is a wonderful way for you to increase your green leafy vegetable intake daily. I would encourage you to work with this smoothie, especially if you're pregnant, postpartum as well. We need to make sure that we keep our potassium levels up, our magnesium levels up, our iron levels up, our calcium levels up. And this smoothie addresses all of that, as well as zinc as well. Now, when you really deep the essence of what minerals, the role minerals play in our bodies, you will see that it aids hormonal balancing. So this is why I encourage women to work with this smoothie. Whether you're pregnant, postpartum, breastfeeding, or not, PMSing, you're just a regular woman that has no intention on having children, still work with this smoothie, okay? I would also encourage you to give this to your babies and your children on a daily basis. This is dope, it's calcium. This is what we need to remineralize and strengthen the baby's bones, our children's bones. We really do need to get into the habit of incorporating dark leafy greens into our lifestyle on a day-to-day basis for the whole family. And smoothies are a wonderful way to do that because you can pack so much vegetables in it and consume just a little bit of it, but yet you're getting so much at the same time. How wonderful is God? Okay, how wonderful is God? So I would encourage you to get your chlorophyll from fresh produce, please. Do your best, because a lot of these powdered forms of chlorophyll greens tend to have fillers in them, even though they may say on the label that it doesn't. So it's just best to work with fresh produce as you can see it for what it really is. Okay, let's live in the realm of reality here. I trust that this will serve you well. Enjoy.